Hi, my name is Sanji Taylor, and in January 2024, I started having severe lower back pain. It started with just like a little bit tingling in my toes, and later it spread to my lower back. And initially I didn't think much of it because, of course, like I thought ki maybe it's like maybe I slept in a wrong position. But it when it stayed for like 2 or 3 weeks, I got more concerned, and by that time I had to move to Delhi for a job. So I was moving to Delhi for a job alone, and it was quite difficult for me because I was supposed to do it alone and live alone, and I had this new health issue coming up. So it was quite difficult to navigate through that, and I didn't even know what was happening. So I went to a physiotherapist, and they did whatever they do, like shake and all, like little bit movements, but like nothing was helping. And then I went to an orthopedic. He ran some tests, MRI, X-rays, and all, but nothing concrete could be found in those tests. And we got all sorts of tests done, but nothing was there. It felt like I was lying because no doctor could tell me that I had pains, but I was going through a lot of pain, and I like no reports could prove that. And yeah, that because of that, I got a little bit isolated because I felt like nobody was understanding what I was going through. And after a point of time, it reached down to my knees, which was even worse because now I could not even walk properly, and walking, even like little bit exercise that I was doing was also hindered because of that. So I could not even walk, I could not even run, and whatever yoga I had started doing by that time, that was also not happening anymore because of the knee pains. And I just felt like this is the end of the world. Now I have to live like this. And back then I was just 22. So it just like nobody could relate to me, and nobody could really understand. And that was very, very isolating. And then I think one of my doctors suggested that I should look into pain management. So I researched about pain management, and I came across Bhanu sir's name. From January to I think till August till I found out about Bhanu sir. I was, I would go to office, I would come back home, and my doctors were just suggesting that I should rest more. And so I would just go to office, come back home, and I would just rest after that. So like 9 to 6, I would be in the office, and 6 o'clock to like next morning 8:30 or 9, I would just be in my bed crying. And since I was living alone, I was new to the city, it was very difficult. And I would even cry in my office, and my parents were very concerned about me. They would just visit me a lot in Delhi. My dad would spend his weekends in Delhi to be with me. And yeah, I mean, before I went to Bhanu sir, this was my life. And then some doctors suggested that I should go look into pain management, and that's how I found Bhanu sir. The first time that I met Bhanu sir, I told him my problem, I told him what I was going through, and he felt like that he understood what I was going through, and what pains I had, and what was the reason. And it felt like there was like it was the first time someone was actually understanding things. And he was like, yeah, reports mein kuch bhi nahi aayega, x-rays mein bhi kuch bhi nahi aayega, because it's not an issue of your anything like bones or anything. It's more of an issue of muscles and fascia, something to do with fascia. And I didn't understand much of it, but I told him just like fix me, and that's all I want. And then he just asked me ki, of course that can be done, but all I need is your commitment and time as well. So I was like, yeah, time, commitment, everything is there. Trust, everything, whatever you want is there. I just need this to be fixed. I need to be shown a path for this. And I was very helpless at that time. And then yeah, and then I started going to Bhanu. So I went to him for like 2 days, and he made me do stretching. He made me do strengthening workouts, and I realized how weak my muscles were. Like I remember time when he made me do core compressions, and I could not even lift my leg up more than like 2 inches or 2.5 inches, and it just felt like a failure. Ki how my body has become so weak, and how did I let it become so weak? And I had such a breakdown moment at the gym with him, and I was like, I can't do this anymore. And then I took a break from the gym. I was like, this is not happening. This is not gonna help me. Also because my since I was working out after like almost like 8 months, so my muscles were very sore, and I was doing something with my body after so long, and I had backache, so all of them got mixed, and I had severe pain after joining the gym. And I was like, I can't do this anymore. So I left and I did not show up to Bhanu sir for like almost 2 weeks. And in that time, he kept calling me. He kept asking me that if I was not going to him and all. And I kept like, I kept saying that, I'm busy and all. But, in my heart, I knew that I don't want to come back. But then I had already paid. And since he was calling me so many times, and I was like, okay, let me give it one more try. So I went again after 2 weeks, and this time he asked me, just be consistent and just trust me, this can be fixed. And I was like, okay, I have nothing else to lose, and I have no one else to depend upon for this, so I can do this. And yeah, and then I think I went to the gym every day after that. And I think I went every day because I kept feeling difference and kept feeling growth and progress every session after every session. And it just it was feeling magical at that point, that suddenly the points that were aching a lot were not paining that much. So the first time that I was going to the gym, like the first few weeks, and it was very difficult for my muscles. It just felt like, oh my god, how could I become so weak? Like basic workouts, like basic weights, 1 kg, 2 kg weights were becoming so heavy for me. And since my muscles were weak, already weak, and my entire body had become very weak in those months, I just felt like, oh my god, what is happening? And I think I had a breakdown at the gym every single day. And I would just be doing any workout, and I would just have tears in my eyes, and I would just hide them from the people around me, from Bhanu sir, that of course nobody should notice them. But I had a breakdown at the gym every single day for the first 2 weeks at least. And I would have breakdowns after the gym as well, because I would be like, what the fuck? How could I become so weak? And then, every day I would also see some progress, but at the same time, I would also feel bad about myself as well. And but I think after like, I think we did a lot of mobility and stretching and strength training. I think strength training was more important for me. And I think my workouts were very much focused on my lower back. And Bhanu sir never made me do basic exercises like how you would do at a normal place or a gym. I did random things, like you would not even think that this could be a workout, and you would just end up doing that workout with him. And it was just like very nice. It was very entertaining as well, because I am a curious person. I've always been a curious person, so I liked knowing, okay, which exercise targets which muscle. So he always made sure to tell me that this exercise is for this is good for that muscle and all. So I kind of like that as well, because it not only just made me it made me more knowledgeable about what am I doing, and what exercises I'm doing and what they are good for. And they just answered my questions. So I think we worked out together for like 2 months. And I think by the end of like 1.5 months, I could see a lot of difference, and I was already very optimistic about my progress. And I'd started laughing again. I'd started living life again after that. And it just felt surreal. And before that, I just felt like there was no light at the end of the tunnel. And I just felt like this is the rest of my life, that I would have to live with a backache my entire life. But after like 1.5 months of working out with Bhanu sir, I could see light, and I just felt like, okay, this is not the end of life. And I started laughing again. I'd stopped crying. The crying had stopped. Uh, of course, there were pains. There were moments where I would feel weak, but at least I was not hopeless anymore. And I think around that time, I was also supposed to be leaving Delhi. And I think before leaving Delhi, I went to this party just before that. And I had, all these 8-9 months I had this pain. I had stopped going to parties, even though I was a big, party person before that. I'd stopped going to parties because, every time I would go to a party, I would feel backache, and then I would just feel like, just let's head back home. And I would just want to be back in my bed as soon as I would go out. So I'd stopped going to parties. And, before moving out of Delhi, like I think 2 months after joining with Bhanu sir, I had to go to this party, and I was very, pessimistic about it. What if I go and what if I have a pain and all, and I would have to come back home early. But then Bhanu sir was like, it's okay, let's try. So I went, and I danced for almost like an hour, and I was wearing my 2 inches heels. And also in these months, I had stopped wearing heels as well. So this was the first time me wearing heels after so long. So I was already very nervous, and I went and I wore heels and I danced for like almost an hour, and I didn't feel like the need to come back home or rest or go back to bed. So I think that was a huge, huge progress for me. I came back home and I had tears of joy, and I called my friends, and I was like, "Yo, this is progress. This is happening." And I think I properly thanked Bhanu sir after that day. I think with pains and with muscles weaknesses, it's not that you can work in some time, but it is something that you need to work on for a really long period of time, and I think till the end of your time actually. So muscle strengthening is something that you need to work on for the rest of your life, and I think I learned that in a very hard way. And after I came back home, I asked Bhanu sir to send me a workout routine and all. So he kept sending me the workouts that I should do and all, and how should I maintain it and all, and how do I live up to what I was living like in Delhi. And he would do all of that for me. I think I learned how to manage pain when I was with Bhanu sir in Delhi, but since our time was very less. But after that, when I moved back to Jaipur, I worked on the exercises that he had given me. I still work out on the same exercises. I literally have the same routine right as of now as well, but of course a little bit more intense in terms of like quantity that I do and sets that I do, and I still follow his workout. So his workouts have been incredibly good for me and properly arranged to my needs. And yeah, I think I think I know how to manage pain now. You know what was interesting working out with him? I think, we were not just only working on my pains, but also we were working on, to do handstand, and which was very interesting. And even I did my first and last push up with him. That was great progress for me because I'd never done a push up. Yeah, it was a huge deal for me. And for a person who could not even get out of bed a few months ago, to a person who was, trying to do handstands and push ups, that was huge. And if you're someone who's struggling with back pains and all, please go to Bhanu sir. He's the right person to help you out. In the end, it was all working out for me because the pain that I was going through for like the past 8-9 months was, starting getting better. And, I'd started seeing light, and I'd started seeing hope. And that was huge for me. And yeah, I'd started getting better, and life was seeming beautiful again. And yeah, now it's all completely normal. It's all back to good times again. And all thanks to Bhanu sir. And yes. But yeah, pain management is a journey. It's not a destination that you can reach in like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. It's a journey that you have to cover in a really long period of time. And this is something that I've learned the hard way. And I hope you don't have to.